Welcome back! Now that your Flex container is set up, it's time to learn how to align items along the main axis using the Justify Content property. Justify Content controls how the space between and around items is distributed on the main axis. If you're using Flex direction row, that means left to right. If you're using column, it's top to bottom. The most common values are flex start, flex end, center, space between, space around, and space evenly. Each one changes the alignment and spacing in a unique way. Flex start aligns items to the beginning of the container. Flex end pushes them to the end. Certain aligns them in the middle. The other three values and space between and around items. Using Justify Content is great for designing navbars, evenly spaced bottoms, image galleries, and content sections that adapt to different screen sizes. It's also helpful when working with dynamic content. For example, if you don't know how many items will appear, space between or space evenly can automatically manage layout spacing. So here we have a Flex container with 5 items. We're going to try to use each item, and I'm going to show you the project in the HTML web page. Go to there, and yeah, we have the items. So with Justify Content, you have full control over how items align along the main axis. It's one of the most powerful and commonly used Flexbox tools. Up next, vertical alignment using align items and align content. Goodbye.